How to make images move in CapCut on a PC. This video will show you how to make images move in CapCut on your PC. Static images on your videos don't have to be boring. You can move them around, as shown in the video, and add some life to them. You may even reveal another image below the main picture. The secret to the movement is keyframes, as you'll soon learn. Here are the steps on how to do it. The first thing you want to do is import the image or images into CapCut. Click in Import and grab your images. Once your images are in, drag them to the timeline. In our case here, we shall have one image over the other. Place the timeline marker at the start of the first clip. Then, under Video and Basic, click on the diamond icon under Transform. The first keyframe is set for the picture. Then, move the cursor some seconds ahead. Set the position of the picture. Again, click on Transform. Now, we can see the picture in the background. Click on the second picture and set the keyframe. Adjust picture size and position and set a keyframe. You can now see how the images move. Now, let's set another position for the images. Move the first image to the new position and rotate it. Then, set the keyframe. Do the same for the second image. Let's now preview the movements of the images. We can see that by resizing and repositioning the images and adding keyframes, we can move them around. Now that you've learned how to move images in CapCut, go ahead and give the steps a try.
Simply click the link below to learn more.